Hey guys, I thought I would say hi because it's been a while, and today is the first day that we have nice weather, no humidity. It's in the 70s. It's early in the morning though, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. But supposedly today's high is only 79. So I wish I had time to be out here right now, but I can't because I'm going to church. So I don't, but it is really nice. So hopefully in the afternoon it'll be just as nice. So I might be able to come out here and not break a sweat. Because then after that in the evening I have something else to do. So I don't want to get dirty. Well, having to do my hair or anything like that. So it's been raining here, guys, for days. My plants have not had a chance to dry out. I would say that it's been raining here for over a week already, and there's just no chance for the plants to dry out. These plants, they're established, they've been here for a very long time, so they're doing good. I don't know about these. They look fine, the tops, but I guess it's normal for them to grow out like this because they're so old already. But yeah, these here, let me show you these. These here are super happy. They look so good. They are in an overhang. See this overhang? So they tend to get less water than this side. So, but I don't see much difference. Maybe it's just a little bit fuller, has more leaves than this side. That's the only thing I can see. But yeah, these are completely exposed and they get a lot of rain. I need to desperately clean the greenhouse and water. Everyone in there needs water, like really bad, because I haven't watered them for a while. So as I said before, they're forgiving in water, but they just don't look, they look thirsty. That's the problem. These here are looking super happy. They are dealing with the weather just fine. But what I'm noticing is I've been looking out here and I'm not getting a lot of areas where I get sun. This area gets sun, so that's good. But many of my areas throughout the whole day won't get enough sun. So I'm trying to look to see maybe what we can trim so that there's more sun coming in. I'm not sure if I can trim anything. If my husband would let me, like if it would look right. So yeah. So I just wanted to update you on this. Is still looking the same, and these are doing really, really well. These are happy here. Some leaves here rotting from probably too much rain. Yeah, it's just a lot of rain. It doesn't give it a chance to dry out. If it would rain and then let's say no rain for 2 days and then it would rain again, I think that they would be doing just fine. But it's just don't have enough chance for these to dry, and then on top of that, not a lot of sun hitting them. So you can imagine these are just here still. I don't know, it's just complete abandonment. I haven't been able to work on them like I want to because of all the rain. The days that I do plan to want to work out here, I can't because it's raining. So yeah, I don't know what to do. Left my clear spray out here. This is just terrible here. I need to redo this again. So many things I need to do. Yeah, and then I'm getting a lot of this. All over many of my plants. Do you guys know what this is? Is it a fungus or is it just water marks? It's pretty annoying. It's everywhere. Look. If it is fungus, I do have an idea on how to take care of it. I think it's, what's the oil? Neem oil. So I can just put it in my the tank that people use to do weed killer. Instead of that, mine is clean. It's only ever had water, but I could put that in there and just spray everything with that. So hopefully that would take care of everything. But other than that, yeah, that's what it is. That's what's making my garden right now look really bad, is those, that one's really pretty, but those marks, look, they're everywhere. See, they have it. So that one has it, that one has it. Those are the kind of plants that tend to get it. The jade has it, the kalanchoys get it too, the marks. This one I took out of the turtle, brought over here because it wasn't getting as much sun, so I thought if I bring it here it would be better. But still dropping leaves. See, still dropping some leaves. My pink butterflies is doing really well. I have a couple of those that I propagated. So yeah, let's see. These look okay here. This gets good sun, so this is pretty open. We'll get some good sun when it is actually sunny, when we're not having a lot of rain. So yeah, it's just not, I don't know. Right now everything's looking like a mess. In my opinion, this is very hard to maintain. Let's see what we got going on over here. This I had to move. Look, see those spots again? Those are the spots. So I moved it over here to see if it would get more sun here. But as you can see, I'm gonna have to move it again, and I'm actually gonna put it in the other side over here, thinking that this gets the most sun here, morning and afternoon. So maybe I'll just put her here and maybe she'll get better. And I'll still have to spray with neem oil. We'll just have to see. This one too is getting spots and dropping a lot of leaves. So let's just put this over here with the sun. And let's see how it does. You know what? Let's put you back here. Right there. We'll see how it does there. And that's about it. Everything else, you know, still needs. This is the area that I'm really concerned about that doesn't get a lot of sun. Okay. Oh, I missed these. See, it's been raining so much that I missed them. Look, it bloomed again for me. It looks a little sick though. These probably already opened up. I'm pretty sure they did. So I missed that. But look, it's sick. What is that? Ew, what is that? So I'm definitely spraying that with neem oil. Yeah. When I get back, I have to do that because that does not look good. That plant's happy. It's getting a lot of water. And this one is coming back because it's getting a lot of water. So yeah. That one likes water as well. This one likes water. And look at how big it's gotten. Again. She gets full. Again, I can trim her and then she'll get full again. This one I need to cut that because it's leaning over. Look at how big. Guys, I am so surprised how well these are doing here. I'm just shocked because they're not dying because of all the rain. And yeah, these are probably goners here. They just didn't do good. And you know, I had a feeling, but I wanted to experiment. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, people. Everyone's rocking this morning. Anyways, but look at my hand. And I have long fingers. I got my dad's hand. But look at how pretty that is. That is so big. I will be so sad if something does happen to it. I don't know how long it'll be this beautiful. But it's already been, what? Months already? More than 6 months? I can't remember. Is it almost a year? Could be almost a year. I can't remember. Anyways, guys, So that's it. I get pretty down looking at my garden because it's just not looking the way I envision it right now. So it's a little bit depressing to look at it. Red Ice is doing okay. And that. This one, I don't know. No matter how many times I spray it, I can't get rid of whatever is affecting it. It's still pretty. Beautiful big plant. Yeah. Everyone wants to make noise right now. I make a video and let's make all kinds of noises. You know how people photobomb people's pictures? This is noise bomb my videos. I'm surprised about this one too. I took a risk in hanging this out here, and it's been doing really good. I am so surprised that it's doing so good. I have to trim it or move this a little bit, one of those. This one is struggling to keep it together. This one's been here already for 2 years, so some of these plants are trying to pull through. We'll see. This one here is dropping a lot of leaves, and I might have to trim some, but I have to do it when it's not raining so that they don't get so the stem doesn't start to rot when the rain gets in there. It's okay. This one's doing really well here too. I have a crested Red Eyes in there, and it's doing really well, so I'm gonna leave that alone. Anyways, guys, that was it. This was a short update, just real quick, saying hi, miss you guys, and I hope you guys have a happy Sunday. Bye, guys. Have a blessed day.